Hello guys, welcome to our channel Jobs for Living. Let's see today's job updates. Thinkpalm Technologies is hiring for automation engineer with 4 to 9 years of experience for their Trivandrum, Chennai or Cochin location, and they are also hiring Python trained fresher for their Chennai location. It's mainly for BE, B.Tech, ME, Mtech from CSE, IT, EC and EEE for the 2019 and 20 batch. He or she should have a 60% and above, and they must not have backlogs, and they must have taken minimum 2 to 3 months of training in Python, and those guys can send your resumes to careers@thinkpalm.com. Sorry guys, I know this one is not clear, but I have to share this information with you because it's important. Vertical is hiring 50 technical developer and web developer, and with an engineering or computer science graduate with 2+ years of experience in web technologies. Experience in marketing automation tools will be an added advantage, and there will be virtual walk-on 29th May by 10 am, and registration is mandatory. I will be providing the registration link in the description, and selected candidates they will be sending the meeting invite to join. Times World is hiring for multiple positions. They are hiring for cloud and security engineer, .NET programmer, digital media content writer, web design and interface expert, basically HTML, and web and graphic designer, UI or UX, and you can apply through timesworld.com/careers/India. Mindster is hiring for lead digital marketing strategist with 3 to 5 years of experience and an inside sales engineer with minimum 1 year experience in IT industry. You can send your resumes to hr@mindster.in. Performatics is hiring for a business analyst, salesforce technical lead engineer, Java, DevOps, React and Angular developer, both for junior as well as senior software developer. You can apply through http://jobs.performatics.com. Supportis is hiring for adobe experience manager with 5+ years of experience for their Bangalore location. You can send your resumes to careers@supportis.com. Havit Solutions is hiring for a telecalling intern for 2 months. It will be for final year students. You can send your resumes to info@havitsolutions.com before 31st May. Excel Dynamics is hiring for content specialist. It's a work from home job, and even freshers can apply. The CTC will be from 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. And kindly note, it's a night shift job, and I will be providing the link in the description here, so you can apply through the link. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share with your friends who are struggling to get the job. Please subscribe my channel for more new job updates, and please click on the bell icon to get the notification.